Olive here. I am back with another video and it is Met Gala inspired. The Met Gala was 2 weeks ago today and I was just starting to film a video. I was so inspired by it, but have kind of been snowed under with work and uni work, so I haven't been able to film a lot, but here I am with my Gigi Hadid recreation. Patrick Tar was the amazing MUA behind this, and Gigi obviously gave her beautiful face. The theme this year was Heavenly Bodies, Fashion and the Catholic Imagination. I am such a stickler for people who don't stick to the themes. I just think it's rude, but all of my face stuck to the theme, and Gigi went in a Versace gown and it was inspired by a stained glass window, which was absolutely stunning. Anyway, without further ado, this is the photo that I am going to be kind of taking from it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it and stick around if you want to see it. Okay guys, so I've already done one eye and one brow, and we're gonna go on and do this eye here. So to start off with, I'm taking my MAC paint pot in Painterly and just putting that all over the lid with my Real Technique sponge, just like that. Okay, and once that is done, I'm taking my Maybelline Brow Precise pencil. And in the photo, we can really see that Gigi doesn't have like a super defined brow, but she's got like the fluffy, fuller brow. Gigi is queen of a fluffy brow. Her brow hairs just must work in a fluffy way, and mine don't. This is my better brow, and I say better brow, and it still doesn't do what I want it to do, but you know, such is life. Just taking our clear brow gel just to set those brows in place. I'm just going to carve out the brows using my Maybelline Age Rewind and my little flat definer brush from my Kitco. Okay, so once we have done that, we are going to go in with our MAC, I'm going to go in with my MAC x15 Warm Toned Palette. And I'm going to take the colour Saddle, which is just this orangey, browny, really nice transition-y colour. Even though Gigi has a like purple eye, there's just something on her brow bone that's like that really nice transition-y orangey colour. So I just thought we'll put it in, and it, as you can probably see, it kind of disappears. But you know what? Hey ho. We are going to take the Naked 3 palette and taking the shade Nuna, which is this shade here. It's like a mauvey matte. And again, just putting that through the crease, and then we're going to kind of bring it down into like the cat eye shape. And what you want to do with this is hold your brush at the end, hold it high, and put it just underneath that transition shade that we've laid down already. I'm going to take the Balm Cosmetics Balm Jovi palette, which is actually really cool, such a cool palette, and there is a colour in here called Rem, just that colour here. I'm taking it on a smaller, fluffier brush and putting it just through the crease to add in more purple. The Zoeva Cool Tone palette, Cool Spectrum palette, and I'm just taking CL120 here on this Real Techniques Fluffy Definer, And again, putting that through the crease and kind of bringing it down onto the lid. Okay, I have then taken my Morphe 35B palette and this color just here, again the more muted purple, just on a really big fluffy brush and going all over like the work that we've done. Next we are going back to the Naked 3 and we are taking the shade Liar just on a flat definer brush. This is actually the first Naked brush. I'm putting it all over the lid. Next, I am taking my Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Roll Eye Kohl pencil in the color. I don't think this one has a color. Oh no, Supernova, which is a purpley linery color. Gigi didn't really have much liner in it, but I just wanted to add it anyway because I love liner. Trick that I like to do with my eyeliner, I put it on and then I squeeze my eye together and just making sure it's everywhere. So next I'm taking my Kat Von D concealer. I have the color M19 Cool, and just because I wanted to do like the whole eye look in one today, we are going to conceal under our eyes. Naked 3 palette, taking the color Nuna on the fluffy defining brush and smoking out our lower lash line. And just what I did with this eye here, I just took this fluffy brush, which we have the more pigmented cut, the more deeper color from the Zoeva palette, and I'm just going around the outside with it just to add that depth. And next for our inner corner, we are taking Dust in the Naked 3 and on a wet bullet brush. Okay, and now for the fun part. I've used my Too Faced glitter glue on my little liner pencil from My Kit Co, and I've just got this pot of silver glitter here. I'll show you what I bought. I bought this pack of colored glitters from eBay, and I think they were like $4 for the whole pack. And I just think with glitter, yeah, sure, you can buy expensive glitter, but it's like, it goes everywhere, and if you use glitter a lot, you're gonna go through it like nobody's business. So that's the reason why, and we're just gonna add this line down the middle of our eye. Okay, so as we can see in this pic here, which I'll try and insert next to me, Gigi has really glowy skin, no blush on whatsoever. The foundation that I'm taking today is the L'Oreal True Match. I'm going in with my Kat Von D concealer and just highlighting the middle of my face as we've already done the under eyes. Next, we are going in with bronzer, and I am going to be using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Bronzer. It's my fave, and also it just gives the most beautiful, dewy finish and goldeny, glowy bronze look, which is what Gigi's got and is what we're going for today. And just something I want to do with the bronzer is just bring it on to the apples of my cheeks just a little bit. Because Gigi isn't wearing any blush, but she still has that little bit of a bronzy colour. Okay, next we are going in with highlight, and I'm going to take my MAC face palette. Whoop! It just flew out. And the colour Pearl here is a cream highlighter. So I'm just taking that and putting it on the high points. I'm going to take my much loved Rimmel lip pencil in the colour Tiramisu. Gigi does have like a browny, orangey, nudie colour here. Okay, I'm just going to go in with my MAC Spirit lipstick and take out this like ruddy orangey tone there is to it. Okay, and next up is lashes. Again, just because of the nature of the photos, we can't really see too much about Gigi's lashes. So I'm not going to put any false lashes on today, and I'm just going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Mascara, which is amazing and gives a false lash effect anyway, and my MAC Extended Play for under my eyes. Watching. I had such a fun time recreating this look. Gigi is absolutely gorgeous, and I am in no way, shape or form saying I look anything like her, but I just love the makeup and I really wanted to recreate it, so I thought why not. I saw that everybody did Kim K, some people did Selena Gomez, but Gigi was just, I just remember seeing it being like, oh, and I just loved her dress, like the whole stained glass window. Riri probably still takes the cake as best dress for me, but Gigi was well up there. But I am a huge Gigi fan. She can do no wrong in my eyes. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if there's anything you want to see from me, please leave it in the comments below and let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah!